What makes some Toyota engines survive 500,000 miles, while other engines struggle to reach 100,000? Why do mechanics constantly say, if you want reliability, buy a Toyota? Is it just brand reputation, or is there real engineering genius behind it? Today, we're breaking down the hidden engineering philosophy that makes Toyota engines last longer than almost anything on the road.
This video will clearly and thoroughly explain why Toyota wins.
Toyota does something most manufacturers don't. They design engines conservatively. While many brands push for maximum horsepower per liter, Toyota focuses on long-term durability. Instead of squeezing every bit of power out of an engine, they leave a safety margin. This means lower stress on components, lower combustion pressure, lower operating temperatures. Less stress equals longer lifespan. It's not flashy, but it's extremely smart.
Toyota engines are often described as overbuilt. What does that mean? Critical components like pistons, connecting rods, crankshafts, timing chains are engineered to handle more stress than they typically experience. In simple terms, the engine is stronger than it needs to be. For example, many Toyota engines use thicker cylinder walls, conservative compression ratios, strong timing chain systems instead of belts. This reduces the chance of catastrophic failure. It's engineering focused on longevity, not marketing numbers. Compare a 2-liter Toyota engine to some European 2-liter turbocharged engines. Toyota might produce 150 to 170 horsepower. European engines, 250 horsepower or more. More power sounds better, but higher output means higher heat, higher pressure, more wear. Toyota chooses balance over aggression. That's why their engines may feel less exciting, but survive much longer. Another reason Toyota engines last: simplicity. Fewer complex systems mean fewer failure points. For years, Toyota avoided overcomplicated turbo systems, highly stressed small displacement engines, experimental tech without long testing cycles. They test everything extensively before mass production. Toyota is slow to adopt new technology, but when they do, it's usually proven. This patience protects long-term reliability. Reliability isn't just design, it's manufacturing quality. Toyota's production system emphasizes tight tolerances, quality control, continuous improvement. Small imperfections cause long-term wear. Toyota reduces those imperfections from the start. Consistency is the secret. Engines like the Toyota 2JZ, the 1UZ V8, the 2ARFE, the 1NZFE are known globally for extreme longevity. Many taxis around the world run Toyota engines for hundreds of thousands of miles. That's not luck, that's engineering philosophy in action. Other brands often prioritize performance numbers, fuel economy regulations, turbocharging for power, lightweight components. These are not bad decisions, but they reduce the margin for error. Toyota chooses durability over drama, and in the long run, that strategy wins. So why do Toyota engines last forever? It's not magic, it's conservative engineering, overbuilt components, lower stress design, and manufacturing precision. Reliability isn't an accident, it's intentional. If you enjoy understanding the intelligence behind machines, subscribe for more smart automotive insights.